They watch me vlog and think me perplex. See me video and think me offset. 2000 takes and me gone Star Trek. All me vlog them a both intertech. If a 2000 gal then a hype excess. I gal them a give me I6. I gal them have I chase. I this and it a fi hype best. Yo, and me countryman. Big up all the subscribers them. Country gal, big up.
And I'm not with them. Up blood, them I rate and respect none of them. And that me I tell you, straight up. Your sister violate me in the dance, and sister, we are very me from America. Remember say your brother rape him always a child blood clot rape me. You don't tell your sister say you're in a me blood clot house suffering. I violate your blood clot. Sister, oh, that big dirty church out woman they come blood clot. That woman there, you know say sister shrivel up. Your sister this, your sister violates. Big dirty nasty woman Sandra Lee, you know say you this and violate. You know say your brother tell me say when you see me, you tell him say that's why I come over come heal you up, you know. Because your brother tell me say you say when you see me and you come in on a problem with nobody. You don't know say a long time me and your brother ain't nothing. You never know say your brother in my house right now. You don't know this.
If you like this video, click on another video and you can click at this video right at the end of the screen about Beenie Man, the king of Mascot, and follow up on Camille Lee. Peace.